T-handle on the old valve stem so that we can get the old valve stem out. I'll just take a pocket now, kind of bend it off to the side and just cut down beside it. Now we pull the old valve stem out. See, it came out all in one piece. Take the old valve stem off, chunk it, screw the new valve stem back on the T-handle. We're going to take some regular old dishwash soap. I like to use Dawn. Just coat that real good with it. Make sure it's all slimy. You can put a little bit down in here. Coat the inside of the insertion tube. Place the insertion tube right over the hole and press in. Pull out, unscrew it. You have an installed valve stem without breaking down the tire.